The Red Rock 4x4 license plate mounted bottle opener is a fun and affordable way for 21 and newer Bronco owners to pop the top on your favorite beverage without risking any spills inside the truck. Now, the opener itself is made from heavy duty steel, has been powder coated black, offer right around that $20 price point. Install really couldn't be much easier here, gang, so figure a very soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, maybe 5 minutes of your time to complete from start to finish, as we'll show you later in the video. So again, this is a small but fun modification aimed at solving that age-old issue of having the bottle opener at the right time. Tailgates, camping, driveway wrenching, whatever. Now, I know Ford did build one into the Bronco on the rear roll bar, but it's not exactly in the most practical spot, right? You're just gonna end up, no doubt, chipping the paint off. Bottle caps are gonna fall into that bar, and listen, you don't want your drunk buddy spilling a stinky IPA in the back of your rig. Trust me, I know, I speak from experience. So for all these reasons and more, the Red Rock license plate option seems to make perfect sense. Now, as the name implies, this opener will mount to the license plate area of your 6th gen thanks to the included hardware, and will be with you and your rig wherever you guys end up. Now, as I mentioned at the top of this video, the opener itself has been made from heavy duty steel and is powder coated black just to help resist any corrosion on that steel over the years, since this thing is going to be exposed to the elements being on the back side of your rig. Now, outside of the opener itself, you are getting the small amount of hardware here, basically a license plate style bolt and washer here to help you complete the install. But now we want to shift gears and show you what it takes to get the bottle opener in place. And hey, if you have a Phillips head screwdriver, you're in luck. So without further ado, check out our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown now.
The tools used for this install are a Phillips head screwdriver. Got a really easy install on this one. All you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to install our bottle opener into one of the pre-existing holes for the license plate on the back bumper. I'm gonna take the provided screw and washer and install it onto the inside of my bottle opener. Then I'll take my Phillips head screwdriver and just screw that into the bumper. And that's going to wrap up this review and install of the Red Rock 4x4 license plate mounted bottle opener fitting your Ford Bronco. Thanks for watching, and for all things Bronco, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.